beautiful people, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the long-awaited vlog for me. Also, don't mind my background, that's for another vlog, which will probably come out later. This vlog is probably gonna go out first. But today we're doing a beach vlog. It's not the greatest weather outside. I mean, like, the sun's gonna come out, but it's a little cloudy right now, but that's okay. So we're gonna get ready and y'all are gonna come with me for the day at the beach, so let's go. I don't have a lot of bathing suit options. I have two. I have this one, which is like my favorite one, and then I have this one. We're gonna wear this one, and then I need to find a cover up, so let's find that. I'm just gonna put this over the, I think we'll do these ones. Okay, I'm gonna get changed. Okay, so I changed. I have my swimsuit on underneath. And this is where the little thing my mom put together really comes in clutch. So in here, we have sea spray for my hair. And then she also got me the Whip sunscreen. And I just have this little bag that I'm keeping it in. It's not aesthetic or anything, but it's okay. Now we're just gonna do my hair. And I think I'm just gonna put it in a braid. Okay, so I brushed my hair out for the most part. It's not fully brushed out yet, but that's because we're gonna do a little bit of treatment to it before. So I just have this Unite 7 seconds leave-in detangler. I love it so much. First of all, it smells so good, but we're just gonna, especially my ends, because those get detangled. I mean, those get tangled. Okay, so now my hair's detangled. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this spray, sea spray. So I'm not gonna follow the directions. Might help to unlock it, Adele. It smells like coconut. So I'm gonna try and find a claw clip. So the hair's done. Now I'm just gonna do some deodorant and some perfume. Then we're also gonna do some Vaseline because it's hot outside and it's kind of dry because it just rained. So now we're a little bit more protected. Let's pack a beach bag. Then I'm gonna put like a few drinks in here and some snacks, and we're gonna be good to go. You're an ugly ass. If I was. Ah, we're gonna die. Are you excited?
No.
Do you like the beach?
No.
Are you excited?
There's kind of already way too much sand.
Are you excited, Brooklyn?
What?
Are you excited? of them are excited to go home.
Huh?
I am not. We're going home. It's really nice out. The relief of walking on concrete after walking on sand is immaculate. We're gonna go change because my swimsuit's kind of wet and I don't want to sit in the car for like 30-45 minutes all wet. So we are finally back home. It was super fun going out to the beach today, and it was actually really nice. It wasn't too hot and it wasn't cold. The water was kind of cold, but that's okay. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I love you all so much, and make sure you guys subscribe and go check out my other social media accounts and make sure you follow those too. I love you all so much, and I hope to see y'all in the next video.